Coronavirus has now taken 200,000 American lives, and after weeks of progress, there are fears the country could be backsliding. Over the weekend, a potential super spreader event in Missouri has medical experts on alert. Sam Brock has the latest.
In Missouri, motorcycles rumbled and packed performances pulsated through the Lake of the Ozarks, drawing huge crowds with few visible masks and little social distancing.
I'm not worried about Corona. You know, if we get it, we get it.
The 14th annual Bike Fest happening despite the global pandemic. This rural vacation area giving roughly 100,000 people the green light to ride on through. About a month ago, nearly 500,000 bikers descended on Sturgis, South Dakota. NBC News has confirmed hundreds of cases in and out of state have been tied to that rally. It comes as new audio has been released of President Trump talking to Bob Woodward back in July, grading his performance of how he's handling the pandemic.
I give ourselves an A, but the grade is incomplete, and I'll tell you why. If we come up with the vaccines and therapeutics, then I give myself an A+.
Over the weekend, President Trump again promising a vaccine is on the way.
I have totally changed the FDA process. Same safety, but the speed is from a different world, and we should have the vaccine approved very soon.
Some pharmaceutical companies now releasing their vaccine trial blueprints amidst public concerns of politics interfering with science. AstraZeneca, which temporarily halted its trial twice because of 2 patients exhibiting neurological symptoms, became the latest to unveil its data, telling NBC News in part, given the unprecedented global impact of the coronavirus pandemic and the need for public information, AstraZeneca has published the detailed protocol and design of our clinical trial. At the National Cathedral, a reminder of the fatal toll from COVID, 200 rings for the 200,000 deaths just surpassed.
As of about late July, COVID cases nationally had been going down on a daily basis until recently, where they've started to kick back up again, fueling fears of a resurgence. Some colleges right now preemptively canceling spring break in the hopes that they can contain the spread of COVID on campus when college students return. In Miami, Sam Brock, NBC News.
You can find all the latest COVID-19 info for our area by clicking on the COVID-19 Update tab on our website, valleynewslive.com. It's a warm meal with a touch of some sweetness. Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen shows us a fall-time favorite coming up next.